In this video, I'll show you how you can send bulk emails easily in 2026. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open Gmailo.ai. So once you are in this dashboard, then you have to go to campaigns, and from this campaigns feature, you can send bulk emails all from one place and easily. You can see my ongoing campaign where I sent email to nearly 245 people, and out of them I have got like 27% success rate. 27% have replied to my email. You can also see all these data, who opened my email, who replied to my emails, and all of those. So let's create a new campaign and let's send bulk email. But for that, first I need to get the data right. So I'll use Gmail assistant over here, and I'll say find me creators who could use my product DLSR. So I'll simply tell AI to find me some contact details so that I can send them bulk email all from this one place and easily. So it is searching on the internet, it is scraping the data. Now you can see it is searching. I have got few details. Yes, yeah. So I have got like few details. So what I'll do is I'll simply save this lead as DL search product creators. Okay, nice. So it is creating a database, and from database you can see here my database is created. I can add like more data onto this database as well, and our data is ready. Now let's send a bulk email. So I'll simply go to campaign, I'll click on new campaign, and here let's do a DLSR promotion. And for now I'll use AI powered option. So I'll click on AI powered. Now I'll click on next. I need to select the dataset. I'll choose this DLSR product creators. Now I'll click on next. So what is the objective of this email campaign? So I'll say book a 15-minute call with this creator. And for AI, I'll give them full name, I'll give them interest and intent. Now let's click on next. Now here I have connected like 11 email accounts, so I'll use those email accounts to send bulk emails. Now I'll click choose all of them, and I'll click on next. And now AI will write and AI will draft us email content. So you can see here our email content is ready. So AI have drafted us the email content and all those things. Now I'll not enable auto AI auto reply for now. So I'll simply click on launch campaign. So let's do it. So our campaign has been started. Our contact list is just 8 people, right? So you can see AI is drafting the content. So one content has been made. You can see here. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, so our email content has been ready. Our email campaign is started. Now it will send email to those contact list, and it is so much easier and effortless. Thank you for watching, and in my next video I'll show you in details how you can find email addresses of someone who could buy your product using Gmailo AI. So thank you for watching. See you next time.